Hello guys, this is Titi Mtembe from Landproof Global Associates. If you're coming across this channel for the first time and you're interested in learning about the financial and commodities markets, I'd advise you to just subscribe to the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to click the notification button so that every time I post something new, you can get notified. And I just want to thank you guys that have been following us for quite some time. You can see the likes, the comments, and the suggestions. We really love that, so keep that coming guys. Also don't forget to keep on sharing the videos because someone might find this really helpful. So today I'm breaking down Nzdusd on the daily. It's been a while ever since I did some analysis on the chart. I've been just talking about the mind and the way you're supposed to think when you're trading within the market. So today I'm going to be talking about Nzdusd. So if you've been following us for quite some time, you know that we use the TLS method as the foundation for looking for high probability trades within the markets. So looking at this chart from left to right, you can tell that it has been dropping to the downside and breaking some very important levels within the market. So most recently, after price pushed lower, it rejected our support level at 0.650 and pushed to the upside. However, because we knew that our trend is bearish, we were waiting for the market to test our resistance level here at 67,000 I meant to say. So when it got there, it did as expected. It rejected this level. So we entered this market as it pushed to the downside. However, on Tuesday we saw the FOMC rates decision coming out, and there was manipulation leading up to that where the big boys were pushing this market higher so that they can sell into it because they make money by other people losing money. So some of the guys were buying into this market thinking that it might break to the upside. However, that never happened because as soon as the news came out, this market pushed to the downside. That's why I'm not a big fan of trading the news, because I believe that the technicals tell you what's going to happen before it even happens. However, it doesn't happen all of the time. If it was happening all of the time, I'd be a billionaire by now. I'd be ranking with your Warren Buffetts and all, but then it's not the case. But then I strongly believe that the technicals are going to tell you what's going to happen next. So the market pushed to the downside for the past 2 days, and we had a period of consolidation here where price formed an inside bar. So one thing about an inside bar, it can be traded in two ways: as a continuation or a reversal of a trend. In this case, it was a continuation, or it is a continuation of this trend or market momentum, which is bearish. So what you could have done if you missed out of this trade, or if you still want to enter into this trade, you can still wait for the market to push lower right here and enter somewhere around this price section. Stop loss just above the mother candle of the inside bar pattern. Your target is obviously going to be at the negative 27 fib. And the reason why I'm saying the negative 27 fib is that when I try to add more confluence into my trade so that I can have confidence to enter into the trade, I applied this fib from the top to the bottom of the swing, right? And I saw that the market is respecting, or it has respected, our 78.6 Fibonacci retracement zone, which acts as our dynamic support and resistance. In this case, because we're on a downtrend, it respected our dynamic resistance at 78.6 and pushed to the downside. So yeah, going to the downside, our target is at negative 27 fib because the market is most likely going to go there. It usually does that. When it respects our Fibonacci retracement, it goes back to the negative 27 fib. So that's our take profit going to the downside. So if you're really interested in learning this insanely powerful trading strategy, you can simply click the link down in the description. We have a trading course which is running for $299 US. It's not a lot, compared to the amount of money you're gonna make once you have the knowledge. Most people make the mistake of gathering the capital and trading without the knowledge, and they blow their account. So right now, I want you to reverse engineer that. Get the knowledge, invest in your knowledge, spend some time learning how you can trade this market, and from there you're going to be able to grow your capital once you have it. So yeah, I hope you guys found this lesson really helpful. So feel free to drop in your suggestions within the comment section. I'd love that. And you tell me how you analyze your charts, and how I can help you, because I really want to help you guys. I really struggled in my personal career trying to figure out how to trade this market and all of that. So yeah, I love you guys.